Thobile Makhumalo Mseleko.
Khwela.
Ukugibela esihlahleni wenzani? Ukhwelani? Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
Makhwela.
What is that? Is it a word or what is this? You said a word. Is that a word?
Yeah, makhwela, a word makhwela.
Sikhweleni guys, ngisho ukuthi. Ngisho ukuthi guys ke tjafake.
Malale radio guys. Guys, malale radio. No shit.
How you said I must say the first thing that comes into my mind. Kusho ukuthi siyakhwela.
This is a gospel show. Siyakhala.
Ukhwela angisho gibela.
Yes.
Hey.
I'm with you.
Yes.
Trust me, I'm with you.
Okay, gospel ihlanganaphi? Because ukhwela like ngikhwela emthini.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Very much welcome. Please kindly subscribe to our small channel. Please subscribe, like the video, share the video as well. Now guys, there is a particular clip that I see Eka Makhumalo Mseleko. I think she went to a particular radio interview. I haven't watched the whole interview, okay? I'll still sit down and watch it. But when ama clips as she is trending, okay, when it comes to that particular interview, and abantu bathetha ama clips posting uMakhumalo emkhulumela kumthembeni wakho Nkosi yami. After the whole drama that we see happening, benganyathelani and everything else, the whole saga with uMakhwela, I do not know there's a particular story of Makhumalo asking for DNA tests when it comes to Makhwela's child, as we've been watching the show, okay? So it looks like uMakhwela no Makhumalo ngase abezwani the way engibona ngakhona, but I do not know behind the scenes. But okay, as we watch this show ungathi abantu abayithula babangeza ukuzwana, and ukhumbula ke ukuthi uMakhwela never said ukuthi baba uMsamseleko must marry number 5. She never said that. What I know is the issue is about him marrying endaweni yakubo kaMakhumalo. He went and married uMakhwela right there where Makhumalo comes from. I think that is where they are having a problem. Ukuthi uMakhwela wayethi uzungathathi ke la endaweni, but he went and did that. I think that's where Makhwela has a problem, but she never really had a problem with him having wife number 5. Even though at the end of season 8 sasibona ke ngathi manje uMakhwela umuntu ongebe sibheka ukuthi she doesn't have a problem. We saw her siding with uMangwabe noMayeni, people who were very very straightforward. They don't want number 5, right? But at the end of season 8 we could see ukuthi Makhumalo was one of those people who was kind of like arguing and about this and that with Baba Msamseleko about this particular number 5, okay? So we know ukuthi when it comes to Makhumalo, honestly she is not okay, especially in Jogutike. Guys, please, I'm sorry, the kids playing outside. But anyways, so now at this particular interview, this guy is asking ukuthi okay Makhwela. So and then bambuza ukuthi Makhwela abesethi yileyo. Yileyo, but no, when I say Makhwela, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? Atukwela, like she was shading uMakhwela in a very very like, I was like, what did she say? Atukwela show mangabe like ugibela something ukhwela uyaphezulu. The guy is like, no, I'm talking about uMakhwela, like you guys, like the way she responded, it shows ukuthi they do not get along mhlambe noMakhwela. We do not know what happens behind the scenes, okay? But that response, I was like, Makhwela, are you okay? I mean, really, it's like ubengafuna ukusho lutho ohlanganisa uMakhwela. She did not want to say anything about uMakhwela nokuthi kanjani. Uvele wayivimba nje yonke lembuzo, maybe ubrother kade azoyibuza, wavele wathi ukhwela ngazi phela ma ukhwela ugibele emthini uyaphezulu or whatever. What is that? She was like, what is that? What do you mean? What do you mean ukhwela? Ukhuluma ngani? Like, yo, the guy was laughing like, wow. She shaded uMakhwela. Do you think they don't really get along, or mhlambe they just ubengafuni nje ukuthi nje bakhulume ngalo? Mhlambe bezama nje usinikeza into yokukhuluma. Phela they know every time nje ukuthi, you know, sizothola into yokukhuluma, sizothola into yokusho. Obviously mhlambe wenze masibomo to give us something to talk about. I do not know. Do you think behind the scenes they don't really get along? Angazi, but the way she shaded Umakwela on that particular radio interview, I was like, girl, are you and Umakwela okay? Or you are still really bored about the whole situation of Babum Samsele treating you otherwise? Ngoba sekhona Umakwela, and also Umakwela being wasendaweni yakini, and also all this thing of you asking for DNA results of Ingadi. Like, there's just a whole lot around Makumar and Makwela. So I'm wondering if these two are honestly going to get along. I'm wondering, I do not know. Wabum samsele kunaye guys makayeki ukuxabanisa amakhosikazi. Mina ngibona ngathi uyena inkinga nje. He's the problem. He's the one who makes the wives to not get along isikhathi esiningi. You know what I mean? She shaded Umakwela in that interview. I was like, wow, there's a lot that is happening. I'm telling you guys, there's a lot, honestly speaking. So I wonder, oh my God. But anyways, it is what it is, you guys. I'm gonna go and watch that particular full interview. I'm not gonna post all the clips that I have for now. I just wanted to talk about this one where she's shading Umakwela. Wow. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. Let's meet again on my next upload.